Welcome YouTubers, how is everybody today? Great to be back. I know I haven't put a video out in a while. Getting there. I've actually been sick the last few days, but I wanted to get this up here, so I had a request to show some Autodesk. What can you do with Autodesk using your nesting and stuff like that. So what I wanted to do is show you how I use Radan, and I use a link inside Radan that links Autodesk with Radan, or links Solidworks for passing models through to Radan as well. And it's quick, it's easy, and pretty straightforward. So I want to jump in this video. Last video I made was probably in 2019. Now we're in 2020. So, and of course this is a bit late, so we're seeing this in February. Okay, but anyway, let's get started. So, if you know me, you know I work for Hexagon. We provide manufacturing solutions to help make factories smarter along the way, right? So a lot of customers are moving from 2D into 3D and embarking on that journey and finding what 3D product works for them. You find a product, and now what do you need to do? You need to get that so you can nest that stuff with 2D, but you need good information, you need good models, you need good drawings, because truth be known, rubbish in, rubbish out, right? That's all there is to it. So here you can see I'm in Radan. I've got a project. I'm ready to go. I'm fired up. But here I have my Autodesk. In Autodesk here, you can see. Let me orbit this. So in my Autodesk here, I have a 3D model that was actually brought in as a step file. Okay. And I've converted it into IPT files or in Autodesk Inventor files. And that's probably what you might do if you're working with customers who are sending you every type of file and you're opening it in Autodesk. And you can see here's all my sheet metal parts, my flat patterns. And so one thing I need to do is, instead of creating 2D flat patterns, saving out the DXF, and then taking that DXF, bringing it into another software to put the cam on it and create that file, that's taking a lot of time. It's probably taking 8 minutes a file, right? Probably 8-9 minutes a file. So why don't we just do the whole assembly and take 8 minutes to do the whole assembly instead of 8-9 minutes to do the piece by piece, right? So we've got that model open, and the way DTM2 works is the same computer I have Radan on, I've got to have the Inventor on, or Solidworks, so forth. So I'm going to switch back to Radan, and I've got a tab up here, and I come in here and I go Process, from Inventor to Project. Okay, when I'm doing this, I'm pulling this open. You can see it's found all the IPT files that I'm using in Autodesk, right? So it's got all my 3D files there, and that's what I'm going to pull in to start nesting. We have different options. I won't go through the options because I just want to get this going, right? So here you can do an assembly multiplier. You can turn on and off if you don't want to run those ones, but I'm just going to simply hit process. And when I process this, it's doing all the unfolding, right, in the background using Inventor. So that's good, because you've used Inventor to create your sheet metal parts based on the design radius and setbacks and K-factors, whatever you're using in Autodesk, if you want to use it that way, right? So it's doing that, unfolded them, and it's brought it into Radan. And you can see I have all my part files here. So you notice that I've got steel here, and this one I've got a generic. And that's simply because those parts there, I didn't assign a material to them in Inventor. That's no problem. I'm just going to come over here, select these guys. I'm going to right click. I'm going to edit. And I'm just going to say, hey, look, this change the material. I'm actually going to change this to CRS. And we'll leave it there. Hit OK. Hit OK. And then we'll actually, change all this. Edit this. And I'll change this to CRS as well. Change material. Standard. CRS. Hit OK. Done. We're all good to go. Right. You see I've got a file, so obviously I didn't draw that part correctly in Inventor, or I may have done something different and it didn't like the geometry I've got there. So that's fine. I can deal with that later. I'm not worried about that at the moment. So I'll just exclude that from the nester and carry on so I can just see what we're looking at. Right? So I've only got a few parts here, so I might even change the quantities. Right? I know I need one of each to make an assembly. Right, so I'll just edit these and say, look, just give me 22. Right, done. And then I'm just going to kick off the nester. And the nester. Yes. Okay, now you can see Radan's running the nest, tooling the parts, tooling the nest, sequencing, and then we're going to generate the NC code for the machine. Right, now keep in mind everyone that I didn't take 8 minutes to unfold a part, create a DXF, save it to a customer folder, bring that file over into another folder, and then make a part file for the CAM software. It did it all automatically using the DTM2. Alright, now you can get this information on the DTM2 if you go to www.radan.com or go to hexagon.com. You'll find us all over there. You'll find information about all the products we discuss in my videos. Okay. Alright, so you can see we've now got a nest. Everything's completed and we're good to go. You can see we have some cut-offs and some remnants, and we can drag and drop this. Here's another sheet done. We're good to go. All the NC code's done. Green light's the best because we know we all go when we got green. So thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe to my channel. I hope this was good information for you guys. If you have any questions, jot them down in the comments below and I'll make sure that I'll get back with you on the answers, or hey, call your local sales guy in the area and have him give you a demo of the software, right? Say, hey, look, show me this software. I want to take a look and maybe benchmark it with what I'm currently doing in my process. Okay, thanks everybody. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.